Hello, let's do some exercises. Create the insert database and work inside it. For this, we will write create database, insert database, and we will also write use insert database. We will run our queries, and we can see that the database was created and now we are using it. Exercise 1. Create the product table to store products. The products will have a numeric type ID, a name and a description. Add 3 products in the table. Pause this video and try, after which we will write the queries together. We will write create table product, and our products will have the following columns. We will have an ID of type int, we will have a product name of type varchar of 20 positions, and a product description also of type varchar of 100 positions. We will run our query and the table was created. We will also write select everything from product. We can see that for now we don't have any entries. So let's add some. We will write insert into product, the name of our table, values, and here we will have to provide an ID, 1, a name, pants, and the description, best pants ever. We will run our query, and now if we select everything from the product table, we can see our pants here. Let's also add 2 more entries. Gloves, warm winter gloves, and the jacket. This is a nice jacket. We will also have ID 2 and 3. We will run these 2 queries, and now let's select everything from product. We can see that we have 3 entries. Exercise 2. Create the student table to store students. Students will have a numeric type ID, a name, a phone number, and an x.yz average. Add 5 students. Pause this video and try, after which we will write the exercise together. We will first write the create table student query. Our students will have an ID of type int, a student name of type varchar of 30 positions, a student telephone number, also of type varchar of 10 positions, and an average of type decimal of 3 and 2. We will run our query, and we will also write select everything from student. This way we can see the structure of our table. Now let's insert 5 entries. We will write insert into student, values, and here I will provide a number, an ID 1, a name Tudor, a telephone number, and an average. I will also do that 4 more times. We will select all our queries and run them. Now, if we select everything from our student table again, we will be able to see all of our 5 students. Exercise 3. Create the computer table to store computers. Computers will have a brand, a RAM memory, a processor and a price. Add 3 computers in the table, specifying only the brand and processor. Also add 3 computers in the table, specifying only the brand and price columns. Pause this video and try, after which we will solve this exercise together. First, let's create our computer table. We will write create table computer, and our computers will have the following columns. We will have a brand column of type varchar of 20 positions. We will also have a RAM of type int, a processor of type varchar of 10, and the price of type int. We will run our query and execute it. Let's select everything from our computer table. We can see that we don't have nothing inside it. So let's enter some data. We will write insert into computer, and we will have to enter 3 entries by specifying only the brand and processor. So we will open and close some parentheses. We will write the brand column and the processor column, values, open and close parentheses again, and here we will have to provide a value for the brand and one for the processor. I will have an Apple i9 and also an Apple i5 and a Samsung dual core. We will select our queries and execute them. Now we will have to enter 3 more entries by specifying only the brand and price. So we will write insert into computer. Inside the parentheses, we will specify the brand and the price, values, and here we will have to provide a text for the brand and the number for the price. We will do that 3 times. Samsung, HP, and LG. We can see that we have a little typo here. We will correct it and write brand. I will run my queries again. And now let's select everything from computer. We can see that we entered 3 computers by specifying only the brand and processor, and 3 by specifying only the brand and the price. Let's see how many tables we have in our database. We will write show tables. We have a table for each exercise. Let's delete all of them. We will write drop table computer, and we will also do that for our product and our student tables. I will run these queries, show all the tables once again, and here we can see that we cleaned out our database.